In 2014, I had some blood work done, and the doctor told me that I had multiple myeloma and I should pack my bags. I had very little time to live, and that was a pretty big shock to me. I found a better doctor that told me that there were treatments out there and that we should wait and see. But then in 2015, I had a bone marrow biopsy, which determined that I definitely had the multiple myeloma. And then I had some very severe back pain, which was determined to be 5 low back fractures. I had been told that the most important thing for me was to have rest. And since I live alone, that's just not a possible thing for me to do with going to my oncologist and my primary doctor and my dentist and getting my own food and cooking my meals and cleaning my house and taking care of my yard. Rest was not something that figured into my lifestyle. I had heard about BioCare Hospital years and years ago, and friends of mine had come here and recommended it to me. So it was on my mind that at some point in time I would come here when I was able. My disease rather progressed after the bone fractures, the low back fractures. And so I decided to go ahead with the doctor's recommendation and do the chemotherapy. I did 6 months of chemotherapy, and I kept hearing more and more good things about BioCare Hospital. So I made a decision that as soon as I finished chemo, that I would come here. Well, wonderful. I've traveled around the world in my years, and I would say that Tijuana is probably not necessarily a primary tourist destination, and BioCare Hospital is not a flashy Ritz-Carlton, but I have to say that in my experience, I have never been better treated with more intelligent care and compassion than I have here. It's been an absolutely wonderful experience. The thing that has impressed me about this place is that everyone is so caring and well trained. The place is so clean. Everything is efficiently run, effectively run, and the doctors in particular are always available. This is something that's not normal in medical care today. The nurses are always right on tap. The doctors are there to listen to you. They pay attention to your concerns and your questions. They take the time to answer them carefully, and they're always available. There's always someone checking on you to make sure you're comfortable and you have everything you need. There's no one thing that would make me recommend this place. There are too many things. I very much appreciate the special care given in the food preparation. I prefer organic food, and I believe that nutrition is paramount in becoming well again. So the food preparation here is beautifully presented and delicious, and I'm very, very pleased to have everything that I feel will help me mend.